Good morning, traders. Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market buyers video for Tuesday, February 3rd. It's approximately 10 minutes to 5 a.m. in the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia closed mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges closing higher and the other half closing lower. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, as Europe is open and trading, all the indices, all the exchanges are pointing to a higher open. They're not trading higher now. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading lower. The indices themselves are pointing higher, although they have come off their highs from earlier this morning. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average are all pointing to a higher open, although fractionally at this point. Metals in terms of gold is pointing higher, and it would appear as though the fear factor is alive and well in the precious metals markets, as everything is pretty much pointing to, or pointing higher, if you will. If we were to take a look at economic news that we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we have factory orders at 10 a.m. This is considered to be major economic optimism, and total vehicle sales, which is out all day, and is also considered to be major. All in all, our bias is neutral, and the reason why we're suggesting this is twofold. First and foremost, metals in terms of gold is trading much higher, and our thought is the fear factor is starting to seep its way into the market. But additionally, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is pointing higher, and energies are pointing higher. This does not bode well for an upside day. It would seem to us, or appear to us, that the markets doesn't really have very much of a sense of itself, and it would appear as though traders worldwide are pretty much groping at straws, trying to figure out what's going higher and what isn't. And as such, I mean, our bias will be neutral, which means that the markets could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.